Ever feel like you have great intentions at the start of the day, only to watch the productivity drain out of you at the first sign of conflict or doubt? Your momentum takes a hit as your mind fills with thoughts that derail your motivation and sends your productivity plunging. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to build self-confidence. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell to get updates whenever we post. Self-confidence is understanding your worth and embracing your true potential. Building up your self-esteem can keep you motivated and help you significantly boost your performance in everything you do. It allows you to take calculated risks and grasp opportunities as they present themselves. According to the New York Times, self-confidence is your belief in your ability to do something based on your past experiences. When you're self-confident, you feel assured that you have the ability to do what's required of you and complete the task at hand with success. If you have high self-confidence, you'll be more likely to believe you can also succeed at other things like skateboarding or riding a scooter, because you mastered something similar in the past. Have you ever wondered why self-confidence matters? A 2008 study by the Journal of Economic Psychology found that confidence was at least as important as intelligence when it comes to predicting income level. Why? Self-confident people build a better working environment for their teams. Your self-confidence impacts your personal productivity and the productivity of your organization. Find ways to build self-confidence in your team members. Setting reasonable expectations, focusing on learning from failure instead of criticism, and nurturing competence can help you create an atmosphere of productivity in the workplace. Confident people inspire confidence in others, their audience, their coworkers, their bosses, their customers, and their friends. And gaining the confidence of others is one of the key ways to succeed. Here are some guides on how you can build self-confidence. Figure out where confidence stems from. Finding the root cause for low self-confidence can provide a map of how to build up more positive self-confidence. A good place to start is through self-reflection and journaling. Try this exercise to help you get to the possible root cause of your low self-confidence. For 1 week, record any low self-confidence thoughts or sayings that keep showing up for you. For each thought or saying, ask yourself, who or what told you that? Decide if you want to allow that voice to have authority over your thoughts in this stage of your life. Journal out your reactions and create a plan of action to move forward. If you're struggling with this, it can also help to work with a therapist or coach to identify and transform the unhelpful low self-confidence thoughts. Understand what self-confidence feels like for you. Take some time to figure out what confidence feels like in your body. A good question to ask is, how will you know that you've reached a satisfactory level of self-confidence? Perhaps you'll start speaking up more at work. You might finally wear that outfit you've always wanted to. You may even introduce yourself to your crush at your co-working space. This will be different from person to person, so it doesn't have to make sense to anyone else. This is your personal measurement of confidence. Align with yourself. If you find yourself frequently using the word should, for example, I should be married by 30, I should have a house by next year, or I should have my life together by now, take a step back and reflect. Where is this should coming from? Many of the shoulds in life stem from cultural or familial expectations. With all of these statements, it's helpful to always ask yourself, is this what I truly want for myself? You have the power to reclaim your life at any point. The more that you make decisions aligned with your true self and your desires, the more confident you will become in your decision-making. Start small. Most of us don't like experiencing a ton of change at once. A very important key for self-improvement work is starting small. Shirin Eskandani, life coach and founder of Wholehearted Coaching, says, one way to build self-confidence is to make small promises to yourself and then follow through. And the key word is small. Two things that are a stretch but also realistic for you. So perhaps if you're not a morning person, not committing to waking up at 6 a.m. every day to do a morning routine, but instead trying out an evening routine. Know you will fail, and that's okay. We live in a failure-averse culture where most people talk about their accomplishments. Rarely do you ever get to hear about people's accounts of failure. Understanding that failure happens and is a part of the process of living will help you to live more fully. For a lot of us, we were usually taught that self-confidence comes from achievements. Certified life coach and leadership coach Nicole Cruz tells Mind Body Green. However, This means that when we achieve, we feel great about our abilities, but when we fail, our self-confidence takes a hit. I truly believe that self-confidence comes from our own thoughts about our abilities rather than external achievements. So that regardless of whether we succeed or fail, we have the power to retain our self-confidence. Step out of your comfort zone. When you step out of your comfort zone, you're often faced with difficult situations that sometimes you don't know how to handle. It's argued that your confidence is improved when you start feeling comfortable in circumstances where most people would feel uncomfortable. An important point to remember here is that you should keep expanding your comfort zone very often, and a time will come when you will become confident in any situation that you find yourself in. Be honest with yourself. Being honest with yourself is another way of improving your self-confidence. If you're not honest with yourself, you can never be honest with others. Many times, you find yourself in a situation where you get uncomfortable when telling someone about yourself, especially when you're hiding something about yourself. This mostly happens because you don't own that part of yours, and as a result, you attempt to hide it from others. Learn to own yourself completely, and it'll give you a huge confidence boost. Start exercising. Working out can play an important role in boosting someone's self-confidence. Most people start working out to be fitter and healthier, like trying to lose weight, etc., but it also leads to positive impacts on the brain. Psychologists claim that exercise has the potential to improve your mood, can help you fight mental issues, and can also be a booster to your confidence if you're consistent with your workout. Change your appearance. The way you dress can alter other people's perceptions of you, but it can also change how you see yourself. Trying a new look or wearing something different than usual can lead to positive effects on your personality, behavior, and confidence. Studies have shown that how a person dresses up changes their personality. For example, if you dress someone in a doctor's coat, they will most likely try to behave like a doctor. So try a new look and wear a dress that you think will make you feel more confident. Similarly, adjusting your posture, how you sit, how you walk can also help you feel more confident. Note down your achievements. This is also one of the important features to improve your self-confidence. Whenever you're feeling unconfident and start doubting yourself, your talents, and abilities, you should grab a paper and a pen and write down all your accomplishments. This will help you to be more confident about your qualities and abilities. Because it becomes easier to be confident when you remember your talents and what you have achieved with the help of those talents and skills. These few but important attributes are very important for boosting one's self-confidence. All of us should remember these points, no matter what role are we playing in society or what job are we working. Self-confidence is the key to success, and these few rules are necessary to keep your morale high and to keep your belief and faith in yourself strong. It's time to start building your self-confidence and enjoy life. Let us know how we helped you boost your confidence in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.